Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making this hot pink painted snake. The pink part of the markings is clay and the white is paint. So if you'd like to see how it's made, stick around. For this snake's body, I'm going to be using a mixture of pearl white and translucent clay. First, I roll the clay out into a long piece. The end where I originally was going to have the head be ended up having a bunch of air bubbles in it, so I just decided to cut that piece off and start over. Once I have the desired length, I will cut the excess off and round out the end. For the markings, I'm going to be using a mixture of hot pink and the pearl clay that I had for the body. I'm going to shade the top of the body with a little bit of pink pastels. Once I'm done with the markings on the head, I'm going to continue down the body. It helps to have a reference picture of a snake if you want to make it the most realistic.
Once I've finished with the back, I'm going to go along the sides and fill in the gaps from the top.
And now I'm just going to go over those and smooth them out on the bottom. As always, the beads I use for the eyes are just some small beads I get from my local Walmart. You will probably have to fix the mouth area once you're done putting in the eyes. Now I use my X-Acto knife and put texture along the body. I'm just using some metallic white for the starting of the markings. Next, I'm just going to use some pure white paint and finish up those markings. I decided later that I wanted more white for the markings. Once I'm finished painting, then I will bake. You can always bake after the creation comes out of the oven as well. Once it's fully baked, then I will use some of my clay glaze and glaze the whole piece. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.